Today I'm going to show you how to make your own 40 cal valve stem caps. Here's everything you need laid out. 40 cal spent casings or a perfect fit, valve stem covers, 2-part epoxy, a small pipe cutter, a pair of pliers, I'm just using my Leatherman, and a ruler or a measuring tape. So you want to get your spent casing and your valve stem cap, and you want to roughly measure how much of the casing you're going to need to remove. We need to roughly take off 3/16. So all I do is lay the casing on the measuring tape, and then I know I need to cut roughly 3/16 off. So right about there. So then you take your pipe cutter and you put your casing in there, tighten it down, and then you're just making sure that the little wheel is roughly on your line, how you typically use a pipe cutter. And a quick tip, if your fingers get tired, you're just gonna grab your casing with your pliers and you can spin it like this. Then once it cuts through, take it out. Might have to bend it a little, back and forth to get it all the way off. And there you go. You take your valve stem cap. This thing fits perfectly. So now that you got all these cut down, you take your 2-part epoxy and you're going to do equal parts of the resin and the hardener. Might do a little more than that. Alright, so that was the hardener, and this is the resin. So I'm going to do equal parts. Then you get it and you mix it together. So once you got this good and mixed up, you're going to take some of it and apply it just on the edge on the inside of the casing. Alright, so you put some in there. Then you take your valve stem cap and you slide it right in. And that one is done. So now that you got your first one done, you are going to do the rest. Now that you got them all glued, I set them valve stem cap down and I let them cure. Now that they're all cured, ready to go, let's take off this old one. Screw the new one on. So another thing you could do if you wanted these to actually shine and stay shiny is you can spray them with a clear coat. I leave them natural because I like the way the brass patinas, but there you go. Don't mind the dirty wheel.